Okay, go ahead. Let's record him cooking. Eat him.
Go get your sissy. Alright? Go get that sissy.
You silly kid.
Okay, some more something, Brie. He'll really lose it then. You don't get you. Here, run that way. Your papa will love this.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Silly boy. Silly man. Give Bree some love. Give a Bree the hugs.
Give me a hug.
Give her kisses. Oh, that's a good boy. He just give lovins. But not too much lovins.
Daddy, let's get him.
There you go. Get that on tape.
There you go. Come on out here, buddy. Kid likes to be scared. I've never seen nothing like that in my life. Look, Bree goes out there intentionally so he can come back out and get scared again. Ridiculous.
Really? Never kissed a girl?
Mason, come on out here, buddy. Come get your sister.
You know, they don't just walk into a room going, they make it.
You silly kid. You goofball. I never seen a kid like to get scared. Usually they'll go, "Ugh," and then they'll start crying. Not him.
We saw me.